David, so we're here at SM North EDSA, and if you're looking for unlimited chicken wings, Wing Wing is for you. So trinay namin yung boneless Korean style chicken all you can nila for only 499 pesos. And look at their ambience, ang ganda diba? May pa-neon lights pa, ang dami talagang kumakain dito. And first, binigyan muna nila kami ng cotton candy, and trinay namin yung cotton candy nila. Super sarap naman. And lahat pala ng kumakain dito is binibigyan nila ng cotton candy. So ayan, nag-aagawan po kami sa cotton candy, guys. Meron din palang fries and soup na kasama dun sa package nila, and unlimited din siya. And trinay namin yung soup nila, in fairness, ang sarap, approve sa amin yung lasa. And look, dumating na nga ang pinakahihintay naming chicken wings nila. So first, papipiliin nila kayo ng 4 choices of flavor ng chicken wings. Ang dami naman pagpipili ang flavors ng chicken wings nila, kaya pwede nyong ma-try lahat. And look at their serving. Ang dami talaga, guys, kaya nakakabusog kasi ang estimated namin is 8 to 10 pieces of chicken wings per plate. And yung flavor niya, guys, masarap, tamang-tama yung lasa, and hindi nakakaumay. Kaya sulit na sulit talaga ang 499 pesos nyo dito, guys. And boneless pa siya, kaya hindi kayo mahihirapan kumain. Ang favorite flavor namin is honey soy. And sabi nga, date should be always 50-50, kaya binigyan ko siya ng 50 pesos. So ayun, guys, try nyo na tong Wing Wing. Located siya at SM North EDSA, malapit sa Jayco. Thank you so much for watching!